Hello, juniors. I hope that this works today. I would like to take this time to just review the chemical properties of elements and electron arrangement. We spoke yesterday about the periodic table, and we said that groups on the periodic table had similar chemical properties, and those similar chemical properties are due in large part to the arrangement of their electrons. If we look at the location of elements on the periodic table, we will see that that also determines the arrangement of their electrons. Electron arrangement, when we look at our models, is influenced by several factors. First of all, the amount of energy that the electrons have. The further away from the nucleus an electron is located, the more energy it has. There's a great attraction between the nucleus, the positive nucleus, and the electrons, and that's what holds the electrons near the nucleus. However, when you get further and further away from the nucleus, in order to be that distance away, those electrons have to have the most energy. Arrangement of electrons is also determined by the charge of the nucleus. How many protons are there? And lastly, the location of electrons is influenced by the other electrons, because we know that electrons repel each other. The movement or location of an electron is going to be influenced by other electrons as well. We mostly use the electron cloud model, which you can see in your book. And the electron cloud model just helps us understand the likelihood of finding an electron. And the denser the cloud in the atom, the denser the cloud appears, that means there's a greater likelihood of finding an electron in that location. Remember, electrons never stop moving, and because of that, we can never pinpoint exactly where an electron is located. However, by understanding energy levels and sublevels and orbitals, it helps us understand chemical properties, and that's the goal that we're looking for. So in this next video you'll be watching, we will break an energy level down into smaller parts so that we can understand chemical properties.